What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And are you looking for a travel agent networking opportunity? You do not want to miss what I'm about to share with you. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back. So you're looking for a travel agent networking opportunity. Well, kudos to you for even thinking about branding yourself and networking as a travel agent. So me and Yumika have not too long ago started a travel agent business through this host agency, which will allow us to network and build a travel team. See, I want you to keep in mind that you don't want to just be a travel agent alone, okay? You're in the right direction. You do need an opportunity where you can network and grow a travel team, okay? So I do recommend partnering with a host agency, and the reason being because once you enroll with a host agency, you share that travel agent certification and you can book immediately as soon as you enroll, okay? However, in addition to that, you also have the flexibility to build a travel team. That's right. You can leverage the efforts of other people, and that's something that you really want to do, okay? And I really want to point you in the right direction. Now, it's not going to be easy, okay? Get that out your head now. It's not overnight either. It takes time. It takes patience. However, you can really make substantial income if you put your head in the game and, get busy. So a couple things about it is, once we got started, the training was there. Okay, I just want to elaborate on this opportunity. The training was there. Everything was step by step. And the good thing about it is, like I said, you become certified immediately. That gives you the option to earn while you learn. Okay, you don't have to know everything about the travel industry. You don't have to, actually, you can come in here with little experience, okay, and grow while you earn, okay? Study the courses, study the training while you earn. Okay. Now, another benefit of it is you have all the access to the major suppliers. You got all the major cruise lines, Carnival, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, all the top airlines, all the top vacation suppliers. So you can put together all-inclusive packages, but people love packages. You can put together packages that include air, flight, hotel, and rental car, rent insurance, shuttle to and from the airport, travel insurance. So you can do all of that, and not only that, but you can network and build a travel agent team and help them do the same thing. So hope you found value in this video. So if you're looking for opportunity, click the link below, watch a free presentation where you can learn more about this fabulous opportunity that I'm sharing with you all. Okay, so to learn more, click that link, watch the presentation, and I will see you on the next video. Happy traveling. Bye-bye.